Where does the name for Pen-y-Corddyn Mawr come from? Today I'm on a hill, well, actually a hill fort, just outside Rhyd in Conwy County, and it's called Pen-y-Corddyn Mawr. The name's made of 4 parts, so let's split it up. Pen originally means head, but has also kind of come to mean the top of something, or even a hill. Means the, and Corddyn means a dwarf, both in the mythical sense and in the medical sense. So, the hill of the dwarf. And then we have Mawr, which means big or great. So, literally it means the great hill of the dwarf. Now, Pen-y-Corddyn Mawr is a great example of a hill fort. It was originally inhabited, like many hill forts in Britain, during the Iron Age, and people lived in it for quite a long time. They lived here during the Roman era. A hoard of coins was found here in the early 1900s from the Roman era, and it appears that people even lived here into the post-Roman era, so after the Romans left and the Saxons first started arriving in Britain. And I can see why. It's in a fantastic position. From here, you have access to fresh water from the Afon Dillas. You can see all the way across the entire valley behind me. You can see all the way over to Snowdonia on that side. And on 3 sides, the hill is actually cliff face, which means it's protected by nature. But people built a stone embankment on the north face to help defend themselves. And I'm going to take you on a tour of the horizon a little bit. So just north of me there is the sea and Llandillas. There's Cefn-y-Rogof, the ridge of the caves, the hill just by Llandillas. Over here we have Castell Cawr, or Pen-y-Gopa as it's currently known, and in the horizon you can see Prestatyn and the start of the Clwydians, and Cilgwri, the Wirral. And then coming round we've got more of the Clwydians. I think that's Moel Famau over there. Over there is the road to Llanefydd. I've walked all the way along here. And then down here is Betws and Rhos, you can see over by that road. And there is Eryri, Snowdonia. And coming around a bit further, you can kind of just about see Mynydd Marian near Llysfaen and Crag of Orwyn, Maiden's Leap. And then we're back to the sea again, and down there is Llandillas. Now, another interesting feature about this hill fort is that from here you can see the top of the next hill fort along, Castell Cawr, literally the castle of the giant. It's Pen-y-Gopa now, just behind Abergele. And I actually knew that because my old DT teacher wrote a book about it where he theorised that all the hill forts in North Wales were within a visible range of the next hill fort, and they kind of acted as a warning system, so you could light a fire on top of one hill fort to warn the next one and so on, and that they formed a chain all the way from the border with England all the way across to Anglesey and into Snowdonia, and may have actually provided as a warning system for when the Romans invaded. Anyway, I'm filming this on St David's Day. Dydd Gwyl Dewi Sant Hapus I Bawb. I hope you've had a good one. Give us a like and a share, subscribe to us if you like Welsh place names, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, perhaps join my Patreon. There's a link in the bio. Diolch. Have a good one.